okay?
No, mate, you're going to hear me out, okay? You're going to hear me out.
What? Does your shrink want a few more pages for your journal, eh?
So you read it then?
I didn't read your fucking journal.
I didn't bring it to your fucking house.
It's bullshit.
It wasn't Meg that made the first move, okay? Okay? It was me. It was all me.
Did you fucking, Fletch? Eh? How many times did you fucking? What did you do? My place, your place, eh? Did you blow on her, eh? Did she fucking like it? You want to talk? It's fucking
Talk! Half a dozen times. Hit me! Come on. Come on. You know what? You're not fucking worth it. You know that baby Meg got rid of? I reckon that was my baby.